temperatures rocketing to 30 Celsius, more like 24 in Manchester, but just 17 in Glasgow. In the northwest, well, we did see weather fronts, and those weather fronts are bringing cloud and outbreaks of rain. It's been quite wet in Northern Ireland and in western Scotland so far today, and there's more heavy rain to come overnight tonight. So the Met Office have issued severe weather warnings for further heavy rain in Scotland and Northern Ireland. A good 20 to 40 millimetres of rain, maybe 50 millimetres in one or two spots. And it's not just wet, it's also really quite windy up to the Irish Sea. Ahead of that, well, it's very warm, 19 degrees, your minimum temperature in London, more like 13 to 15 across Scotland. Let's zoom into Scotland for the morning, and there's still quite a bit of rain around. Heavy rain in the far north of Scotland. Elsewhere, the intensity of that rain is easing off, but you can see there's quite a bit of it through the morning. Pretty wet in the southwest and into Cumbria through the morning. One or two showers elsewhere in northern England. But as you get into East Anglia and the southeast, well, here should see some sunshine around, and it will be very warm through the morning. Maybe one or two rogue showers, but most places dry and bright. To the Midlands, though, a lot of cloud around, and further west you are, that will be producing some outbreaks of rain. So a dull and damp start really across Cornwall and Devon, breezy as well. And it's quite wet across much of Wales. There'll be a pretty miserable rush hour here. It's wet and it's quite windy, the heaviest rain up towards Anglesey. The good news is that in Northern Ireland, most of the overnight rain will have cleared away. Already we're beginning to see a few showers developing. That'll be the story for Northern Ireland. Blustery showers here throughout the day. Elsewhere, we push our band of rain out into the North Sea for the afternoon. Following along behind, some much brighter skies, but also some pretty heavy showers in the north and the west. 17 in Glasgow, a fresh 24 in London. For the Oval, might see some thicker cloud, a few spots of rain early on, but come the afternoon, it's bright and it's breezy, and you can listen to coverage on Radio 4 and 5. Should be a fine evening session at the Oval. Elsewhere, yes, still some showers in the north and the west. By Friday, it's a breezy day across the United Kingdom. The strongest winds in the north, and that's where you'll see the heaviest of the showers. Elsewhere, yes, there'll be sunny spells and a scattering of showers, and top temperatures around about 21 or so degrees. Looks like a pretty decent start to the weekend for most of us. Central and eastern areas seeing the best of the sunshine. 23 degrees, not too bad with light winds. But in the northwest, it will cloud over with some rain later in the day. And that rain will spread its way across Scotland's northern